Girl, look how easily this lace melts with my skin. Come closer. Look how easily this lace melts with my skin. No spray, 100% glueless. I wore this wig straight out the box so easily, so fast. I ain't lying to you. Keep watching, I'll show you.
You're a positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know.
Hello, my beautiful queens. Welcome to my channel. If wigs got you in a headlock and won't let go, this is the channel for you. So make sure you are subscribed so that you can keep vibing with your girl. I just love a nice packaging. It just makes me feel so special. It makes me feel like this wig is gonna eat because it comes beautifully packaged. And it did eat very easily too. Wore this wig straight out the box. Thank you, Luvme Hair. Luvme Hair sent me this gorgeous bob wig. She has gorgeous water wave curls with beautiful blonde highlights. I am in awe of this wig. She comes pre-everything. I literally took her out the box and put her on my head. I did a little bit of customization, but all in all, I didn't have to do much. I didn't use anything. Look at this hair. She's so soft, very, very little shedding. Look at the lace. HD lace is an understatement. That lace is superb. Look how easily it melted with my skin. It became one. Look, that is amazing. So satisfying to watch. Is it just me? I love this. Look, girl, she comes with 3 combs and the wig cap is breathable. And she comes with a strap, built-in strap that you can adjust. She comes with that side part ready for you. And I am here for it. I love this. So cute. And it's so full, straight to the end. Let's install this beauty. First thing first, we are going to tint the lace. And then I'm going to use this grid tape I got off of Amazon. It'll be linked in my storefront in the description box below. You simply apply it on the parting and it gives scalp easily. Like, I just love how easy, look at that. I just love how easy that was. I didn't have to use any concealer. Just that tape. I love using that tape. Okay, girl. If you don't know, now you know. Although Luvme Hair gave me a grid tape, but that one was a little too dark for my skin tone. And it wouldn't give scalp. It would give something else. But this one was perfect. Now we're going to add the elastic band that it comes with the grip. I love the color. That's so pretty. Purple is one of my favorite colors. Anywho, we're gonna slide that wig band on, and then we're gonna adjust the built-in strap, and then we're gonna plop her on. That easy. That's the install. We're just gonna put her on, tuck the combs, and that's it. I thought I was going to have to put on a melting spray. I didn't have to literally do anything. I am still so amazed at how easily that lace disappeared. Look, in real time, I didn't cut it. You saw for yourself how easy that was. I mean, what more do you need? Like, it's like putting on a hat. It's like literally putting on a beautiful, gorgeous hat. It's so easily, it's so easy, so very beginner friendly. It's It's an understatement. Anyone can install this. It's that easy. I believe that. You can do it. If I could do it, you can do it. And she fits comfortably around the ears. So comfortable. I literally cannot. I'm still in awe. Look at the lace. Look what lace. I was debating right there if I wanted to put baby hair, but then, nah. I'm like, she is given all by her lonesome. She's given everything she needs to give. The highlights are popping. The brown, there's a little hint of brown in there, and everything just came together beautifully. See, I can't even talk. I am in awe. She's so cute. I was still debating right there. Should I add baby hair? Nope. I decided to instead add a little bit of layers. I decided to do a little bit of layering. I just love, look at the highlights. I just love the highlights. Superb. I didn't need a melting spray or nothing. I love this. And the hair is so flowy, soft, bouncy, very light, but full at the same time. I mean, you can see it for yourself, girl. Look at the back. Look at that. Look at that. Luvme Hair did their thing. Did they or did they not do their thing? Girl, I've linked her right in the description box below. Go ahead and click and get you one. You need a plop it on and go wig. I feel like every girl needs a plop on and go wig. Like something you can just put on and get out the door. Thank you, Luvme Hair.
But at your best, you are love. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. 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 Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know.
If you've made it this far, I truly appreciate you, queen. Make sure you give this video a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and make sure you are subscribed so that you can keep vibing with your girl. Check out the link in the description box below to this beautiful, gorgeous bob wig. And thank you for vibing with me. I'll see you on the next one, girl.